Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush. In our today's video, we will see how you can auto start the pluggable database when the CDB start. So today itself I have created one blog and where I have written about the pluggable database. So when we start our container database, basically our pluggable database will get started, but it will not start. It will go into the mount stage. It will not go into the read write mode. That is a problem. So sometimes when we have a multiple pluggable database in one container, we want to make sure that when our container database gets started, we want our pluggable database also get started. Or sometimes we want our pluggable database, one specific pluggable database into the mount stage, or some pluggable database we want into the read write mode. So that is your choice, and all those things can be automated with the help of with the latest version of Oracle 12c. So before Oracle 12c latest version, when I'm talking about 12.1.0.1, so in 12.1.0.1 version, we were need to create the trigger. When our container database will start, that trigger will get applied and it will start your pluggable database. But starting from your version 12.1.0.2, where we don't need to create the trigger. So what is the feature that they have introduced? They have introduced a feature, we called it as a state. You can save the state of your pluggable database. So we are going to see this practically. Let us see on the server. So currently my database is stop. Let me just cross check it. ps-ef grep pmon, ps-ef grep pmon. Okay, so here you can see the database is down. Now we will start our container database. So let's get connected to the SQL Plus utility, and here I'm just starting the SQL Plus. I'm just starting the container database. Once you start the container database, by default your pluggable database will go into the mount stage only. Okay, so let's cross check it. Show PDBs. Here you can see both the pluggable database. The first one, which is your read only mode only, that is that will be there, and the pluggable database PDB prime, and second pluggable database PDB prime 2. Both the database are in mount stage because this is the default state of your pluggable database once you start a container database. Now the requirement is that when I'm starting the container database, I want one of my database go into the read write mode. I want my one of my database, which is PDB prime, should be go into the read write mode once I'm starting the container database. So it should be automatic process. Now I'm using over here a 19c database, and as I said earlier, here you can see in the blog also, before version 12.1.0.2, previously we need to create the trigger, and by using that trigger we were able to start our pluggable database automatically. So this trigger you can see it over here for 12.1.0.1, but starting from 12.1.0.2, there is a new feature which has been introduced by the Oracle, where we can save the state of your pluggable database. So when I'm saying save the state, means you can save the state of pluggable database. So first of all, you need to start your pluggable database maybe into your mount stage or read write mode, and whatever the state you want to save, you can save it there. So let's see what I'm going to do. The first pluggable database I will keep into the read write mode, and second pluggable database I will keep into the mount stage only. So how to start this pluggable database? Let me connect alter session set container equals to PDB prime. Okay, and startup. So I'm just starting the pluggable database. Pluggable database started. Okay, now if I'm coming back and I'm connecting with the SQL Plus utility, so here you can see the PDB prime is in read write mode. But if I'm starting the container database right now, what will happen? Again this PDB prime pluggable database will go into the mount stage. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I will save the state of this. So alter pluggable database, okay, pluggable database name, okay, and here the command is showing it as a save state. So I'm just saving it. Okay, this is done. Now if you want to verify whether you have saved the state of any pluggable database, there is another command. By using this view you can check these things. So here it's showing that the connection name is as PDB prime and state is open. Okay, because we have saved the state of pluggable database which is having the name as PDB prime in open state. Okay, now if in case I'm just stopping the container database, okay, and then I will start my container database, you will see that this pluggable database which is PDB prime will be always in read write mode. Okay, so let's wait for a few seconds. Now it's done. Okay, now let's start it. Startup to start the pluggable database, and then we will see the status of your pluggable database. Currently it is in mount stage and in open now. Show PDBs. Can you see over here that the pluggable database PDB prime currently it is in read write mode because we have just saved the state of your pluggable database. So make sure you can do these things. You need to use these features which has been provided by the Oracle. Now there is a situation where we don't want this kind of state to be saved. We want to discard this save state. So how to do that? Just go to my blog and here alter pluggable database PDB prime discard state. Okay, just use this command, and if you just restart the container database now, again both the database will go into the mount stage. So if you want to save the state of your pluggable database, this is the method that you can perform over here, and this is the blog which you can get it into the description section. If you like the video, please do like, subscribe and share this channel. If you are looking for real-time database training, definitely you can contact me. All the contact details you can get it into the description section only. Okay, thank you, bye bye, see you again with the next video. Bye bye.